This is my review of the Samsonite Centric Hard Side Expandable Luggage with Spinner Wheels. This one is for the 28-inch spinner in teal. I've taken it out of its cardboard box and it had this plastic protective bag over it. It has a personal code lock here with a TSA key lock. That way your luggage can stay locked and secure, but the authorities can get in if they need to. Another nice feature is this double zipper. So if you open it up, you can kind of expand it more in case you have bulky items. Or if you don't have much and you don't want things flopping around while you travel, you can close it up to get a tighter closure. And here's the inside. On the right side, you'll see these straps to keep your items down, and also a large zipper pocket. This side has a net zipper so that you can put your items in there and secure them down during your travels. And I'm just doing a close-up here so you can see what the pattern of the inside fabric looks like. On the inside pouch, you'll find these preservative packets that you should throw away and a Samsonite luggage instruction manual. Lock your luggage before check-in. First, you push to open. After that, you'll push the reset button. You'll need a tool or a pen. You hear that click? That means it's reset. Next, you'll need to spin these dials to the code that you want. I recommend to write in your code here, or write it or keep record of it in some way. Okay, now let's turn the dials so we can set the code that we want. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 as an example. Now you're gonna wanna push the button in again so that you release the reset button. We have it open now to our set code of 1, 2, 3. Now, let's turn the dials to a different number. The push button will not work. It's now locked. And going back in, we go back to that 1, 2, 3 code we set. If the TSA or travel authority does open your bag by a key lock, make sure to lock it again by rotating it 90 degrees clockwise. Just how it looks right now. It spins super easily.